If you want to create this amazing DIY Christmas project, then stay tuned. Welcome back, my DIY tribe and DIY newbies. I'm Sharon, and if you're new here, this is Sharon's DIY Studio, where we bring to you DIY projects, home decor, gift ideas, and tips and tricks that you can add to your tool belt, right? We're all about growing here and evolving. So if you want to join the tribe, then subscribe. All right, guys, I hope you are loving the decor and the vibes. Betty said Merry Christmas to you guys. All right, let's get to the project. I got all of these things from the Dollar Tree and Michael's. So you guys could actually choose whatever items you want to choose and create a whole new different type of project. But if you want these items that I have, I will try to link them in the description below. But let's show you how I got this together. So I basically painted my plaque white, and then they had a pack of like assorted wood pieces from the Dollar Tree, and I basically got 2 squares and I glued one to the back end of my plaque, and I also put another one vertical to that one so that it can hold the mirror. Then I used some E6000 and I put that on the black back of the mirror to glue it, and used the clips to hold it so that it can until it dried. So whatever you have, I mean, you can use whatever you have, but that's what I had on hand. It also came in that assorted pack. I don't know about you guys, but I am enjoying this project so far. It's coming out dope. These clothes hanger clips actually did the job. It held up the mirror until it dried, so I truly recommend getting that wood assorted pack because you can use it on different types of projects. Now we will be gluing all of our ornaments or our figurines to our plaque. So I used E6000 to glue it down, but I mean, if you want to use a glue gun, that's on you. Yeah, so like I said, this project is going to be quick, so I'm just going to show you how I glued everything together. I tried to make it look like, you know, the guys were fighting back and forth with the snow. So like I said, you can be creative and create whatever scene that you're going for, but yeah, I love the way this is coming out. Let me know if you enjoy my videos so I can continue to make these videos, because I mean, I hope I'm not the only one enjoying doing these DIYs. Alright, so like this video, subscribe, and make sure you comment below and give me some good vibes, y'all. So yes, I'm going to continue on with this project. So basically, after I glued my gifts down to my plaque, I then put some Mod Podge on the plaque, a good amount so that it can really be saturated, so a good amount of my fake snow can stick to the plaque. And then I got this snow from Michael's, and it actually did amazing. It really looked like snow. So it's definitely something that you might want to pick up if you want that real, you know, snowy effect. Later on, I will show you how I finish up the edges with a nice gold paint so that it can give it a more polished look. So yes, guys, I hope you are excited. I am excited. I'm gonna put it on my mantle or on the table, wherever. It really doesn't matter, because as long as it's somewhere, I promise you people will love it. This Decor Art Extreme Sheen really did the job, y'all. But anyway, I love this project. Merry Christmas. And if you love my DIY projects, I suggest you subscribe and check out my Christmas playlist that I have, which I will be adding to. I have another project coming up soon, so make sure you subscribe. All right, now, bye.